So we might get a coastal storm later next week, as the European model has been showing a possible system for next week. Here it is right here. Here's that system showing a coastal storm right there, crisscrossing the country. So let's look at total precip accumulation. Right there, hour 210 to hour 216, showing a snowstorm for New York City and upstate New York. That looks like at least a foot of snow. Yep, that is at least a foot. See the coloration in that? That is about 12 to 16 inches of snow. So for those of you living in New York City, you might be getting a snowstorm, because the 6Z run has also showed that same system, though in a slightly different position and weaker, but it is showing a snowstorm right here, hour 180. Thank you for watching, and bye.